Hi guys, this is Chelsea. Welcome back to my channel. And so today is on Saturday, 5th, yeah, 5th, and we're at Karura and hot girl walk. Oh, subscribe.
I switch bitches, I got hot revival. I switch ridges, I know problems solving. Gotta switch my bitches. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love me, I see that way, put me I do the world, I've seen that.
Yeah, but here kuna good views. Kuna left afadhali si tumetoka kwa nyumba pamoja. Unajua ile outing yetu tulipanga tujaitoka. Wow, just wow.
You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look to you. Come here, 'cause it's love. Hold you for me.
Hi guys, I never thought I would continue with this vlog, but here I am. So today is on Tuesday. I didn't go to class. Anyway, that aside, but this week is wedding prep week. You know what's up? Anyway, my parents are renewing their vows and they're gonna renew their vows on a Sunday, not on a Saturday. Remember, this is not a wedding. This is not a first time wedding. This is a vow renewal. So this week is all about maintenance. My nails zimetoka. I need to tell my dad to pay for these nails because my hair needs to be done. I need to go revamp my wig, and bro, it's gonna be a good week because next week again there's another wedding I'm attending. I mean, I need to look good. Anyway, see you in my next video. Hi guys, so today is on Wednesday and I want to install my lashes. This is the only place that has natural light like mingi. Yeah, so I want to install my lashes and I hope itatokea vizuri. That's all. Yeah, I'll show you. Bye.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm thinking dynamite. I blow your candle light.
Guys, so that is my final look. I forgot to record the process, but I recorded it in what it made. Yeah, and hi guys, so today is Wednesday. I already did my lash during the rain, and now I want to clean my wig because I want it to go get installed either on Friday or tomorrow. But I'll carry it tomorrow just in case. Yeah, so these are my lashes, and whatever noise you're hearing in the background, mimi nachemsha maji so that nioshe huku kwa lace iko na glue. Na nimeona hiyo style ya kutoa na mafuta inaenda pole pole. Yeah. I'm
They see my bitch, say she act bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. I'm happy that. Say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
Akina katu niluya. Saa ngapi nakunywa chai? Guys, subscribe. Yes. Subscribe.
I'm the manager. I'm the YouTube manager, guy.
I'm the treasurer. Subscribe. A moment young.
With you, I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So today is on Friday, and I'm going to make my nails. I didn't get time yesterday. The event is a success, and I just watched it. I'm gonna
know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Can't you do it so amazing? How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
I'm going to get my nails done. It's 3. Book appointment at 3. This is my hair. Yeah.
Moja nachukua video nikinimiti. Lakini wote nikumbuka.
Hata sasa tunaweza fanya transition na wewe. Nikumbuke alafu tusahau hapo kwa kutransition.
I can't keep my hands on you.
Add to CV. Mikal.
Yes.
Vlog yangu. And I'm not shy.
Hi guys, welcome to Stephu's channel.
With our kadere.
Now it's just let's get
tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Call my home, girl, tell your best friend. Cause that's who on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tie. Cause they won't tell. Cause they're trying to live their best life too. On the low, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah. Almost missing my flight today. I love.
Nenda purchase sunrise. Do I like? Just purchase sunrise. But from hapa haionekani. Kitu ni juu. Pale juu inaonekana. Haionekani.
Tell me why you're crying, I'm feeling big you.
kujaza simu.
Akishana kuangalia huku into the bullies.
Haya.
Glow. That vlog. So calm. Hatuna gari. Walai. Real.
As I was saying, there are no baddies in Shago.
No. Okay, what? I'm not used to this lifestyle. Why? Real. Kwanza Jackie, wow. Hapa kuna bundles. Misha. Hiyo patiri karibu kuisha. Unajua kwa tu 1 minute.
I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I can see the whole city from the balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside free, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what Friday you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming, pineapple juice, I give a sweet. I know what they like, so I just keep seizing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got Plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You can do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in.